Local doctors call it a game changer. A drug that's been around a while has a new use. Xolair has been on the market for nearly 20 years to treat asthma.
And now that drug has recently received the green light by the FDA for another use, reducing allergic reactions for people facing an array of food allergies. NBC4's Sierra Johnson sat down with a pair of local experts in the allergy and immunology fields to discuss the pros and drawbacks of this drug and its new use. Sierra?
Yeah, that's exactly right. Peanuts, shellfish, wheat, dairy, and eggs. For some Americans, an encounter with any of those foods could be life-threatening. But according to the medical experts I spoke with, the approval of the injection drug Xolair could help patients over time reduce the severity of an allergic reaction.
Food allergy is the body's response to foods that we should tolerate, right? But instead, our body is seeing that as the enemy, and in doing so can really mount a really substantial response. That can be anything from itchy, watery eyes to throwing up, hives, and even cardiac arrest.
A reality the CDC estimates more than 1/4 of U.S. adults and children face every day.
We have seen a significant increase in the number of children with food allergies. There's no single cause or reason why, unfortunately. Also, no known cure.
These physicians agree in the past the tools in their tool belt to treat those living with food allergies was limited. But the announcement of a new FDA approval for the use of Xolair is a game changer. The drug was first approved by the FDA in 2003 to treat some cases of persistent asthma, nasal polyps, and chronic hives. But the new FDA approval of the injection taken every 2 or 4 weeks expands treatment to all food allergies.
A treatment like Xolair is really great because it blocks the allergy antibody that triggers that allergic reaction. And what it can do is it can help, protect people from accidentally eating their food and having a severe allergic reaction.
I've already had patients emailing and asking, sending messages to the portal, wondering if they would be candidates.
And while the drug does not eliminate the chance of a severe allergic reaction to foods like eggs, dairy, wheat, or nuts, it can reduce the risk of reactions over time.
Issues that I see come up with patients who have food allergies is that day-to-day anxiety of worrying about accidental exposures, and this is a medication that is going to, for many people, decrease the severity of those reactions or the likelihood of reacting should they have an accidental exposure.
It is important to note this drug is not an alternative for the EpiPen, but a treatment used regularly over time. According to the drug's manufacturer, the list price for Xolair ranges from about $2,900 a month for children to $5,000 a month for adults, but most insured patients can expect to pay less than that out of pocket. Jared?
Interesting, Sierra. Thank you.